Zechariah. In the aftermath of Babylonian captivity, the prophet Zechariah delivered a message of hope to the people of Jerusalem. As the 11th book of the 12 in the Hebrew Bible, Zechariah's prophecies arrived during a pivotal moment. The exiles had returned, and the time to rebuild the temple was at hand. Zechariah, alongside Haggai, urged the people to look forward to the fulfillment of God's promises. Zechariah's prophecies are conveyed through a series of 8 visions, each rich with symbolism and meaning. These visions, ranging from patrolling horsemen to a man with a measuring line, reveal a future where Jerusalem is restored and exalted. The horsemen report peace, hinting at a time ripe for the Messiah's kingdom. Yet the visions also reflect on Israel's past sins, such as the scattering by foreign empires and the nation's own covenant rebellion. Central to these visions are Joshua, the high priest, and Zerubbabel, a Davidic descendant who symbolize the hope of a purified Jerusalem led by a messianic figure. At the heart of Zechariah's message is the promise of God's imminent presence. Shout and be glad, daughter Zion. For I am coming, and I will live among you, declares the Lord. This divine assurance is not just about a physical return, but a profound dwelling among His people, transforming Jerusalem into a beacon for all nations. However, this glorious future comes with a condition. The visions conclude with a symbolic act where Joshua is crowned, representing the messianic hope. But Zechariah is clear: the realization of these promises hinges on the people's faithfulness to God and adherence to the covenant. It's a collective call to repentance and righteousness, without which the envisioned future cannot unfold. As Zechariah's prophecies unfold, a lingering question remains. Will the people rise to the challenge of becoming a community ready for God's kingdom? The answer is left open, a poignant reminder that the future is not just a matter of divine promise but also of human response.